fishing. Yes. Sweet. Wow, what a pretty bass too. Ow. Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. This wasn't the size of the bass that I wanted to start today's video with, but it's a bass. So kind of wanted to start today's video a little bit different, get you guys fish catch in before anything. Here we go. We successfully did that. Now it's time to successfully put the fish back. Bye, bud. Thank you. Well, welcome back to the channel. Fish catch done. We gotta go catch some more, of course. I caught that fish on the lovely bandito bug. If you guys want to go pick up any Googan baits, be linked down below. You can use my code, save 15% off of your purchase, or literally anything like this new sweatshirt that they came out with, the Googan hunting apparel. There's like a whole hunting line that they came out with. Use my code on that if you guys want to get any apparel. But today is sponsored by Googan Baits, so we're gonna go crank some fish on either bandito bug, slinker log, I don't really know. This place is really more of a soft plastic kind of pond. Hard baits don't work that well here. So really any sort of soft plastic is going to kill it, and I know that the bandito bug is capable of just that. And crank ourselves some more fish. I'm really excited right now. It was actually supposed to be downpouring this morning, so I was ready to like throw on my waders and a rain jacket and come out. But it's only sprinkling right now, so we could get some really bad rain throughout our fishing mission today, but there's only one way to find out, and that is to keep fishing. So we get hit with some rain, we get hit with some rain, but fishing in the rain is one of my favorite things to do. It's very like therapeutic in my opinion. So we're gonna go back to fishing. Hopefully you guys stick around and enjoy today's episode. It's a beautiful day out. Kind of, sort of, it's raining, but you know. It's a beautiful day out because I'm hanging out with you guys, so. That was my first ever fish on the Crotto DC. If you guys didn't see it on my Instagram, Todd actually surprised me with this reel for my birthday, so if you guys want to go check that out, I'll leave that video link down below. It's on his channel. But I kind of freaked out, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't expect to get a Crotto DC for my birthday. Also, I'm probably gonna go to my PO box too at the end of today's fishing mission. I'm gonna run to my PO box and open up some things that I got in it for you guys, because I've been getting a lot of messages. Oh my god, there we go. Because I've been getting a lot of messages saying to check my PO box because people sent me stuff, so I'm gonna go check it out. My PO box will be linked down below too if you guys want to go send me anything. What is up with these sizes today? Come on, guys. There we go. I'm used to coming here and cranking some big fish. There we go. Oh my god, big pickerel. Or is that a big bass? Oh, it's a big bass. See ya. At least we know the fish are munching. But that's pretty much all I got to tell you guys right now is PO box, it's raining, we're catching fish on some Googan baits, and we're 2 fish deep. We have fish on. He's so small though. He's so small. I just saw him like come out of nowhere and destroy it, and I was like, oh wait, he's super small. Come on, where's your grandma and grandpa that I usually catch when I come here? I mean, I'm appreciative though. See you later. I don't think the GoPro got it, but he made a pretty big wake. And then I saw the size of him and I was like, oh, he's really not big. Oh. There we go. Oh, that actually felt good. No. No. Eat the bandito bug. I just flipped into this little brush right here. Or not flipped, I actually casted. And he just hammered it. Oh, that felt so good to hook into. I definitely nipped him though, so he ain't coming back. There we go. Dude, what's up? No, enough. I mean, we're definitely getting numbers, so I can't complain. See you later, bud. We just need to get that size. I usually come here and catch really good fish. A little bit different today. There we go. I saw him hit it. Oh no, it's a pickerel. What? What? I've never caught a pickerel out of here before. Bruh, I didn't know there's pickerel in here. No. No. I'm really lucky that fish didn't break me off because, well, it's very common when you catch a pickerel that he just snaps your line. Ow. You know, I've only been broken off once here before. I'm thinking it had to have been a pickerel. It all makes sense now. Sorry for the background noise. There was someone like doing some lawn work here this morning, but he just left. So I think the lawn work noise is pretty much done for now. Fingers crossed. And of course, the rain picked up like crazy. It was supposed to rain all day, but when I woke up this morning, I always triple check because, you know, the weather always changes, especially in New England. And it said it wasn't going to start raining until 9. I got here at 6:30. There's no way it's already 9 o'clock. Oh, okay. It's 7:30. What the heck? There we go. Oh my god, big pickerel. Or is that a big bass? Oh, it's a big bass. It's a big bass. Yes! Oh my god! What the heck? Oh, he was so long and lengthy. He was so long and lengthy that I really thought that was a pickerel. See, this is the size of bass I usually catch when I come here. That is a freaking good fish. Solid 3-pounder, maybe 3 1/4. Oh, there we go. Hell yeah. Okay, this is what I wanted to catch this morning, so it feels pretty good to hook into him. Oh yeah. I'm not sure how this audio is gonna be because my mic got a little bit wet in my backpack, but that is a freaking good fish. I'm stoked. Shout out to the bandito bug, man. You never let me down. See you later, buddy. And that is why you wake up at 6 a.m. and go fish, even when it's pouring rain out. I'm stoked right now. But we're cranking some fish, so it don't even matter. That bass came right out of this little drain pipey thingy-majig. Well, not right out of it, but water flows out of here, and he was sitting right there, which is exactly where I casted 2 times because I was shocked I didn't get a bite the first time. Oh, you suck. The second I hooked into it, I was like, oh, that's a good fish. I've never came here and caught pickerel, and now I've caught 2. Ow. You hooked me. Oh god, these fish. They tear apart your soft plastics, rip apart your line. They're slimy, and they just simply don't get as big as pike. Come on. See, like my hook right now, he was just like putting his teeth in it. Ugh. Sick. Never caught a pickerel here, just caught 2. Not sure how to feel about it. Oh, he's running. There we go. Ah. Okay. Okay. Not a bad one. He took off and just ran. Okay. calm down. Am I recording? Cool. Oh no, my GoPro's on 1%. Bandito bug does it again. Sweet. Not a bad one. Not like the fish we were catching in the beginning that were super small. We like upgraded and then downgraded just a little bit from our last one. Not kind of a lot of it. Our last one was like just under 3 pounds, truthfully, maybe like 2 3/4. That was probably 1.5 pounds. See you later, bud. All I'm doing is just swimming this bandito bug in, and it's getting the job done. Wow. Well, I am done fishing for right now. I might go out later, not really sure. It all depends on the weather. Just trying to turn my car on to check what time it is, even though I could just check my phone. It's 8:30, and I think the office opens up at 9. Yeah, the US Post Office opens up at 9. Okay, so we should honestly probably get there at 9. I'm like 30 minutes away from there right now anyway. So we're gonna go to my P.O. box, pick up some stuff that you guys sent me, because I have not done that since I opened up the P.O. box. I just haven't had like any time. So we're gonna do that today. See what you guys sent me. Should be pretty interesting. Hopefully you guys didn't send me anything too weird. We'll find out though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little quick sesh that we had today. It wasn't actually that quick. We were there for like at least 2 hours, right? Like 2.5, 2 hours. I mean, that's pretty average. I usually fish for like between 2 to 6 hours, which is kind of like a big spam, I know, but you get the point. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap things up here. I'll meet you guys at the US Post Office.
Today, packaging supplies.
No, I'm all set.
Alrighty, there you go.
Thank you. Have a good one. All right, I am back home. So a lot of you guys messaged me and said you got me packages for my birthday, or you sent me letters for my birthday, and I don't think they shipped yet. So I only got one thing in my P.O. box, and there was like this weird letter, and it was like, please go to the front desk. You received too much mail, or you received too big of a package for your P.O. box. So I had to like wait in line to receive my package and whatnot. And it was the most awkward thing in the entire world. I had one person with a Make America Great Again hat, and then one person, like it was Make America Great Again hat, me, and then a person with a Biden hat. First time I've ever seen someone with a Biden hat before, first off. And I was just standing there, and it was like, I could feel the tension. Not to get political. I'm not saying anything like bad about either parties, but it was awkward. We gotta open this bad boy up. I am 99.9% sure I know what it is, because this person that sent me this blew up my comment section. All right, let's do this. It's a pretty big box. Who is this from? Does it say a name on it? To Fishing with Becca. No. It's from Kentucky. Sorry about that. You guys keep falling. Oh my god. Okay, maybe it's not what I think it is. I thought it was a fishing net. Oh my god, it does say, it says fishing net. In Chinese. Well, it says fishing net, and then it says it in Chinese. I knew it was a fishing net. This person told me, Becca, you need to get a fishing net. You need a fishing net. And I was like, I'm pretty broke. Let's see how good this thing is. I like that it's collapsible. This is totally going in my kayak. Okay, let's see. I mean, it's like a pretty, does this like, oh, it keeps going. Okay, this is actually perfect size. I mean, it could be like a little bit bigger, but truthfully, this is perfect. Like, how do I get it to collapse again? How do I? Oh no, I can't figure out how to collapse it. Did it, I did it. I figured it out. That's perfect. Now you guys can't say anything because I'm gonna be bringing that in the kayak. So if you guys wanna send me anything, my P.O. box will be linked down below. Thank you to who sent me that net. I can't remember your name, but I do remember seeing your comment saying that I had to go to my P.O. box. So I went to my P.O. box. Anything you guys sent me, I will be opening up on my channel. I'll probably do it like once a month so I can have a little bit more of stuff to open up in front of you guys on camera besides just one package. So if you guys wanna send me anything, it'll be linked down below. Thank you so much for clicking on today's episode. Thank you so much to Guggenbase for sponsoring today's episode. They will be linked down below if you guys want to use my code. Save 15% off anything you purchase on the Guggen Squad website. P.O. box link down below. Everything will be down in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. I'll catch you guys next time.